Hello, welcome to Team Coverlay. Today we're going to show you an install of a dash cover on a 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry. And we're excited today because we're going to do the video in English and in Spanish, and so we hope you enjoy this video.
Bienvenidos a Coverlay Team. Hoy les vamos a demostrar en español una cobertura tablero de Coverlay y demostrarle la marca de cobertura del computador para un 2007 al 2011 Toyota Camry.
We are using one of our test dashboards off of a Toyota Camry to show you the damage that's typical on this model. We will use this for our test install.
Ahora vamos a enseñarles la cobertura del computador y lo voy a demostrar en el tablero para enseñarles la diferencia y cómo queda en el tablero.
We are dry fitting a competitor's dash cover to show you the difference between the competitor and a Coverlay dash cover. So if you notice, starting from this side, we don't have a good fit here in this area. Also, this trim piece does not come far enough down on the left side of the dash. Here's another shot of the gap around the vent area. And you see the warping around the vents in the center of the dash. And then right here, I'll show you with the close-up in a minute, but this comes too far down, so you don't have a good fitment there. And then here, as you'll see again in the close-ups, doesn't come all the way to the air conditioning vent, so you have a poor fitment there.
Aquí está la demostración de la cobertura del tablero del computador. Aquí se mira donde no sienta hasta abajo y luego aquí queda un poquito más largo y no queda bien, y aquí arribita no sienta bien, y aquí en este ángulo sale un poquito largo donde no queda derechito, y luego aquí para este ángulo también está corto, muy chiquito, y no está hasta la orilla del tablero. So, aquí están las demostraciones. También la cobertura del airbag no está bien cortado bien y enseña un poquito más chiquito, y ahorita le demostramos los ángulos más cerquitas.
Okay, now you saw what the competitor's dash cover looked like on this dash. Now we're going to put a Coverlay dash cover on for you.
Okay, ahora les vamos a demostrar cobertura de tablero de nuestra marca Coverlay. Ya vieron la demostración del computador, y ahora lo siguiente es el Coverlay dash.
We have an airbag cover that can be used if wanted, but it does not have to be used.
Okay, y esta es la cobertura del airbag. Se puede usar o no es necesario usarlo.
And I would like to mention also, we found that some of our competitors do send a dash cover in without instructions or the silicone adhesive that you need to attach it to your dash, and this is what you'll get with the Coverlay dash cover.
Okay. Y cuando ordenan su orden, si viene con instrucciones y un tubo de silicón.
And we might mention we have our lifetime warranty on our product as well, which is on the other side.
Y en el otro lado del papel viene el warranty, las recomendaciones del warranty.
So if you'll notice, the Coverlay dash fits much better in all the areas that we pointed out on the competitor's dash cover. And in just a minute, we'll bring the camera in for a close-up.
Ok, aquí está el tablero de Coverlay y los ángulos se sientan muy bien. Como pueden ver aquí, donde les estoy enseñando. Y al rato le traemos el video más cerquitas para que puedan ver la diferencia.
Now we are showing you the Coverlay dash cover, how it extends all the way out to the air conditioner vent, and the airbag fits snugly as it should. And then in the center portion of the dash cover, it comes all the way down and fits flush. Does not hang over as the other one did. And on the far left side, it also fits as it should. Experience the Coverlay difference.
Thank you for watching this video with us. Hope this was informative. And please don't forget to follow us on social media and visit our website at coverlaymfg.com. Gracias por viendo este video. Espero que haya sido de buena información y no dejen de visitar nuestra página en coverlaymfg.com. Gracias. Okay, now we're going to demonstrate. No, cut.